getting your heart trampled on to anyone. Yeah. I recommend walking around naked in your living room. Yeah. Swallow it down, what a jagged little pill. It feels so good, swimming in your stomach. Wait until the dust settles. You live, you learn, you love, you learn, you cry, you let, you lose, you learn, you bleed, you learn, you scream, you learn. I recommend biting off more than you can chew to anyone. I certainly do. I recommend sticking your foot in your mouth at any time. Feel free. Throw it down. The luncheon knocks you from the rim. Hold it up to the rays. You wait and see when the smoke clears. You live, you learn, you love, you learn, you cry, you let, you lose, you learn, you bleed, you learn, you scream, you wear it out. Melt it down. You're gonna have to eventually. The fire trucks are coming up around the bend. You live, you learn, you love, you learn, you cry, you let, you lose, you learn, you bleed, you learn, you scream, you learn, you grieve, you learn, you choke, you learn, you laugh, you let, you choose, you learn, you pray, you learn, you ask, you learn, you live, you An old man turned 98. You won the lottery and died the next day. It's a black fly in your Chardonnay. It's a death row pardon, 2 minutes too late. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think it's like rain on your wedding day? It's so free ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought that figures used to play it safe? traffic jam when you're already late. And no smile.